Hi everyone, my name is 40. I am a young father blessed with a beautiful wife, a wonderful son, and as well as an adorable pet dog. And I want to welcome you guys to my brand new YouTube channel called To Saiyinspiration. To Saiyinspiration is going to be a channel about life, here to motivate you, to encourage you, to inspire you. I'll be sharing with you guys things I love to eat, maybe even some cooking videos, some fitness videos as I love to get fit, and also just words of encouragement to get you guys started with your day, just to stay inspired and motivated. Now the name Saiyinspiration comes from two different things. The first one is I am a huge anime fan, and Dragon Ball just happens to be one of my all-time favorite animes. The Saiyans were a warrior race who train hard and strive to conquer any obstacle that comes their way. And then the second word is inspiration, which means to inspire, to uplift. So that is what this channel is going to be all about, to promote positivity and also just to encourage you guys and hopefully get you guys to smile throughout the day. Now I do want to point you guys to the links in the video description as well as the pinned comments. If you guys ever have the time, be sure to check those out. They are related to Saiyinspiration. Thank you guys again for watching. Much love to you all. Stay blessed and stay inspired.